Get a feel for the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado HD. The all-new Silverado delivers smart technology, advanced safety features, improvements in bed and cargo design, and a refined level of comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, locking limited slip differential, rear-wheel drive, stability control. Bigger isn't always better, unless you're talking about power and cargo capacity. Don't miss the chance to test drive the all-new Silverado.